How to add the dark mode on TikTok. Hello everyone, my name is Smal and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add the dark mode on TikTok. So to do that, watch this video till the very. Make sure you have installed the latest version of TikTok on your device so that you won't miss out on any new features. After you have already done that, you can simply open your TikTok right here. So when you open your TikTok and go on the setting option, you won't see any options of changing your TikTok into dark mode. So how do you change it is go back and scroll down to the notification bar, or you can also go on the settings of your device. After you do that, you will see the option of dark mode right here. Either you can go on the settings of your option and tap on the dark display option, and then you will see the option of light mode and dark mode, and you can simply change your phone into dark mode rather than changing your TikTok into dark mode. Now when I tap in the dark mode, my phone is now changed into dark mode, as well as all the apps that I use, and TikTok also includes on it. So that's how you can solve your problem. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.